Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to run PHP code on specific page URL in wpcode plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using free version of wpcode plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So we are going to run PHP snippet on specific page URL. Now custom snippet section open. So you can add your PHP code here. Now paste and then you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. So you can add your PHP code. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert and then you see location, drop down select and then you see multiple option. On left side you see page specific, so click on it and then you see page, post, custom post type. So you have multiple option. So we select insert before content, insert snippet at the beginning of the post content. Now select and then scroll down, you see smart, conditional logic, enable logic and then you see condition show. So we are going to show this code on specific page URL and then you see add new group. Now select, now drop down select, you see page, post, pro, but this feature available in pro version. We are using free version. Now select page URL and then you see is. Now go to page, now copy URL, back to code and then paste. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see this is our PHP code, only show on this page by using page URL. Go to another page or post, refresh the page. You don't see any PHP code, so back to code. So we select insert before content, so you can select according to your requirement and then we added page URL. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.